Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As we approach the end of the year, many of us are opting for a cozy New Year's celebration at home. In today's video, we'll explore some fantastic ideas to make your New Year's Eve special without leaving the comfort of your home. So let's dive in and make sure we kick off the new year with unforgettable memories. First things first, let's set the mood. Transform your living space into a festive haven. Add fairy lights, balloons, and streamers for that extra touch of celebration. Creating a visually appealing atmosphere can instantly elevate the festive spirit. What better way to ring in the new year than with your favorite movies? Pick a selection of feel-good films, create a cozy movie corner with blankets and pillows, and enjoy a movie marathon with your loved ones. Don't forget the popcorn. Just because you're at home doesn't mean you can't celebrate with friends and family. Host a virtual New Year's Eve party via video call. Coordinate outfits, play virtual games, and count down to midnight together. It's a fantastic way to connect with your loved ones, even if you're miles apart. Turn your kitchen into a culinary masterpiece. Cook a special dinner or try out a new recipe. Whether it's a fancy three-course meal or a cozy homemade pizza night, preparing and sharing a delicious meal can be a highlight of the evening. Take some time to reflect on the past year. What were your achievements and challenges? Use this moment to set realistic goals for the upcoming year. Writing down your aspirations can bring a sense of clarity and motivation for the months ahead. Capture the memories. Set up a DIY photo booth with props and backdrops. Take goofy pictures, document the night, and create a scrapbook to reminisce about this unique New Year's celebration in the future. And there you have it, a guide to celebrating New Year at home. Remember, the most important thing is to cherish the moments and embrace the new beginnings. If you enjoyed these ideas, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Wishing you all a happy and healthy New Year.